Aloha. So I managed to get some bird of paradise rhizomes, the starts. Basically I pulled a big clump out of the neighbor's yard for them and I split it apart, and this is what I came up with that I actually got planted today. So each one of these shoots will produce multiple bird of paradise plants. It's a real nice flower, but it took a while to break apart the one clump. I still got two more clumps in the truck, but as you can tell, I just got overwhelmed and decided what the heck, I would go ahead and plant them all in a row and see what happens. So that is a lot of potential bird of paradise plants, and hopefully it will become like a hedge. Oh, almost tripped. So that's a good distance. Maybe about 50 feet long there. And that's not even all the ones out of the one clump. So I got some more work to do on this.